Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this chrome powder look with a purple tint. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with bare nails and I'm adding my base coat. I'm using a peel off base coat because I don't like soaking my hands in acetone to get gel polish off. But if you don't mind doing that, you can go ahead and use a gel polish base coat. I'm using 2 coats of this peel off base coat polish because I want to, but 1 coat would probably do. I want my nails to have a purple tint underneath my chrome, so I'm going to paint my nails with this purple gel polish, making sure that I wrap the edge of each of my nails. This is my first coat of gel polish, and once that's done, I'm going to cure it underneath my lamp. Now I'm going to speed this up, but in real time I left my fingernails underneath the lamp for about a minute. First for my fingers and then my thumb. So I'm on to my second coat. As you can see, the colour is starting to pop, it's becoming more opaque. Again, I'm just painting all my nails and wrapping the edge of each nail. I don't know if it's just me, but I find painting my nails so therapeutic. I could do it all day long. I may have a nail polish addiction. Anyway, under the lamp. So the next step is to add a gel top coat. I'm using a no wipe top coat. This means that you don't have to wipe the top coat once it's cured under the lamp, and it dries really smooth with no sticky surface. Once the top coat is on, it goes under the light again to cure the polish. On to the chrome powder. So I'm using an eyeshadow applicator to just rub the powder onto my nail, and immediately you can see the chrome coming up on the nail, and you can just see the purple gel polish underneath. So when doing this, I learnt that a little goes a long way. I know you can't see it on camera, but the powder was literally flying everywhere, so less is more, believe me. So once I was finished rubbing the powder into my nails, I just used a fluffy brush and brushed away the excess powder. Next is a gel top coat. Again, a no wipe top coat, making sure I'm wrapping the edges to make sure the powder stays on the nail. Once I finished applying the gel top coat, I just put my fingernails underneath the lamp to cure the polish. At this point, I decided to add more chrome powder just to make the chrome look a little bit more opaque, and it worked. So I did the same thing, rubbed the chrome powder into my nails using the eyeshadow applicator. Once that was done, I got ready to dust off the excess powder with a fluffy brush, which you're going to see now. And then my nails needed another top coat. So again, I added a gel top coat, the same no wipe top coat. Made sure I wrapped the edges of all of my fingernails to keep the chrome powder on the nail, and then cured them underneath the lamp. All done. And there you go, mirror chrome nails with a purple tint. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, share. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing's Natural Nails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!